God loves you. You see, as I'm looking at you now, I know you have a very beautiful voice. I would like you to be a chorister in my church. I would like you to be the choir master. You see, the way I'm looking at you, the Spirit of God just ministered to me that you have a very nice voice. I want you to be a chorister in our church. You understand? Because as I'm looking at you now, I'm seeing a young, beautiful girl with a very nice, sweet, good-looking voice. Last 5 hours I've been talking and you have not said anything. I hope all is well because, hey brother, yeah.
What? Child!
Ah, Pastor, you see this our sister. He know they see, he know they talk, now deaf and dumb. Sorry.
Jesus! Her pastor will hear of this.